fucked up. Damn it. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be installing this cabin air filter I had laying around my room. Now this air filter was supposed to be installed on the black Mustang, but it's not here today, so we're going to install it on the red one. I'm sure it's the same thing. It shouldn't be any different. I highly doubt it. But other than that, let's get into this. Alright, so the first step you want to do in removing this glove box is, you see this lever right here? You want to push it up and then pop it out like that. So that's how it looks like. See, it's already popped out. There it is. Now, the next thing you want to do is, there's like these two tabs in the glove compartment, one right here, one right here. You want to push this in, and then push that one in, and then it should fall. Just like that. Alright, so the next thing you want to do is, you could access it from here, but I don't think any screwdriver could fit through there. So, there's one bolt. Well, the cabin air filter is right here. Right here. And then there's one bolt in there. It's a T20. Right here. Oh, that's the wrong one. T20. Right here. So you unscrew that single bolt, and then this flap should come down to access the old filter, and you can replace it with the new filter. So that being said, no. Wait, is that right? Oh, I can't remember. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and unscrew it. Alright, so I finally unscrewed the bolt, which is right here. Now, I found a much easier way to unscrew the bolt instead of going through here. Right through here. Maybe it's because I'm short, I could fit anywhere, but I found it easier to go through here. Right, oh, there's a light. Right here, see, like the cabin air filter is right there. I don't know if you can still see that. Right there. That's where the screw went. So I found it much easier to unscrew it right here. Maybe the video was right. Did I break the tab? Oh, no, it's not. Okay, it's right there. Never mind, I guess it comes off. So you want to pull it out. Right. That. It should be right there. Oh, look, I got my card ready. Oh, wow. Oh. So here it is. It's actually very dirty for 10,000 miles. Now here's it compared to the new one. Wow. I could only imagine how... Oh, fuck. Damn. I could only imagine how the black Mustang is. I think it has more miles than this one. Alright, I just finished installing the cabin air filter. Now, looking back at that footage kind of sucked, so I'm going to explain this again, because I really didn't even understand myself. So the first thing you want to do is unlatch that little lever right here, which is this thing, and then like push these two things inside, which another one's over here, and it should flop down. Now, I found it easier to unscrew the cap right here, this thing right here, down through here. I don't know if you can see anything, but down through here. And then once that's done, I went back over here and I took the cap off, but it fell completely off, so I didn't really care. And then I pulled the filter down this way, all the way down until it fell to the ground. You can see all the trash there. Oh, get away. You can see all the trash there. So here's the old filter. Oh, old filter. Now the new one's inside already because it was extremely hard to film in there, even to get this little tiny GoPro through here. But it's easy. It's much easier said than done. It's a lot harder than you think. And to put it back in, or to put this back in, is pretty easy. Push these tabs inside. Put these inside. And then, oh no, there you go, voila. Like I said, looking back at the footage, I really didn't show anything. It was much harder to get this tiny camera inside. So here's the old one. The new one was obviously much wider. That being said, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and